Are you ready for brows with a different? Are you ready to make your brows look different? Then continue to watch the video to the end. So first thing, I'm starting with my primer, and I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Next, I'll be setting the primer with powder. That way it will be easier for me to outline my eyebrows. So when you apply primer and you don't go in with powder, sometimes it is very difficult to outline your brows. Guess what? We are going to be using a brown lipstick for our brows. So I'm using this lipstick from Milani Cosmetics, but you can use any lipstick of your choice. But make sure the lipstick dries down matte. So using this, I'm going to outline and fill in my eyebrows. And once this gets dry, my brows will not easily wipe up. Like, you know, sometimes when you use brow pencil, it is always very easier for the brows to wipe off. But in the case of this matte lipstick, your brows are not going to wipe off. So if you don't have money, or if you don't see a brow gel around your area and you see matte lipstick, you can as well buy a lipstick and use it for your eyebrows. Now brush, brush, brush. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side of the eye. Just outline following the natural shape of the brows. When you outline the lower part, you outline the upper part and you connect them together. Now fill them in. Look at that. Next, I'll be using this CoverGirl True Blend Concealer. This one is in the shade Soft Honey. And I'll be using it to conceal my brows. You also need a concealer brush, and in this case, I'm using a flat brush. But it doesn't matter if you have an angled brush, you can as well use it. What works for you best is what you should use. So if you are facing difficulties blending concealer, always make sure you use a concealer that is just one shade lighter than your skin. But as you can see, this concealer is about 3 shades lighter than my skin. And that is because I don't have a problem blending out the concealer. So I'm using a buffing brush. You can use any round brush to blend it, but make sure the brush is rounded and it's not way too big. Next, I'm doing the same thing with the upper part of my eyebrows using the same concealer. But as a beginner, I will advise you to use your foundation shade. That way it will be easier for you to blend out or blend in the concealer. Now I'm going back with my buffing brush to blend the concealer. Make sure you blend it before it dries down. Voila! Look at that beautiful outcome. My brows are looking really, really beautiful. So guys, that will take us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like the video, share. Bye.